In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the time tracking widget in BambooHR to clock in, clock out, and record the hours you've worked. Begin by logging into your BambooHR account. If your administrator has enabled the time tracking feature for you, you'll see a widget labeled My Time on your dashboard. This widget allows you to either clock in and out in real time or manually add time entries to record the hours you've worked. Let's start with adding manual time entries. Click on Add Time Entry, and if you've worked at any time today, enter your start and end times in the respective boxes. Begin by typing the time you started working, followed by the time you finished. If you'd like to include more details about what you worked on, click the Note icon to add a description of the task or project. You can add multiple time entries if your work was split into different blocks throughout the day. Once you've entered all your hours, click Save. After saving, the system will automatically calculate and display the total hours and minutes you've worked today. You can also view the cumulative hours worked during the current week or pay period. If you ever need to edit or delete an entry, simply hover your mouse over the entry and click the pencil icon at the end of the row. From there, you can adjust the start or end times, edit your notes, or delete the time entry altogether. If you prefer to track your time as you work, you can use the Clock In Clock Out feature. Simply click Clock In when you begin working, and BambooHR will start recording your time in real time. You'll also see the exact time you clocked in displayed on the widget. If you happen to start work earlier but forgot to clock in, click this small edit icon to adjust the start time manually and add any relevant notes before saving. When you finish your work, click Clock Out to stop tracking. The system will automatically add that session to your daily total and update your weekly or pay period hours. You can continue to monitor your overall work time and manage your records easily from this widget. Additionally, if you want to make more advanced edits or manage your entire timesheet, we have a separate video dedicated to that topic, how to edit a timesheet in BambooHR, which you can watch for more detailed instructions. And that is how you can effectively use the time tracking widget in BambooHR.